one life-changing lesson I learned from my maternal grandmother. You know, sometimes the best life lessons don't come from school or books. They come from the people who you've lived with. When I was growing up, my grandmother used to say something that confused me at first. If you can't control the rain, learn to dance in it. As a child, I thought she was just talking about bad weather. But as I got older, I realized she meant life will not always give you perfect conditions. You can sit there waiting for the storms to pass. Or you can step out, get your feet wet, and make the most of it. That lesson changed how I face challenges. Instead of waiting for the right time, I start with what I have. Because sometimes the rain never stops. But if you dance, you'll still enjoy the journey. So today, I'm telling you the same thing my grandmother told me for free. Don't wait for perfect. Start where you are with what you have and dance. It's Dr. Winnie again, aka Dr. Swagger, your friendly consultant, public health pharmacist, and practicing herbalist. Ciao.